Ever found yourself wishing your crypto could seamlessly transition into everyday spending power? Like, imagine paying for your groceries with Bitcoin or grabbing coffee using profits from your latest Dogecoin surge. Sounds pretty futuristic, right? Well, the question on a lot of minds is, does Uphold, that platform known for its diverse range of assets, offer a way to bridge that gap with a debit card? For those unfamiliar, Uphold has carved out a niche by allowing users to trade and hold not just cryptocurrencies, but also traditional currencies, precious metals, and even fractional shares. This versatility makes it an interesting platform for those looking to diversify their holdings. But the real game changer for many is the ability to actually use these assets in the real world. Think about it. You've seen your investment in a particular cryptocurrency grow. Now, instead of going through the often cumbersome process of converting it back to fiat currency and then transferring it to your bank, wouldn't it be convenient to just swipe a card? That's where the appeal of a crypto-linked debit card truly lies. It offers a direct and efficient way to utilize your digital assets for everyday transactions. So, back to the burning question, does Uphold currently offer its users this sought-after debit card functionality? The answer, as of my last update, is a bit nuanced. Uphold did previously offer a debit card in certain regions. This card allowed users to spend their various holdings, offering a dynamic and flexible way to manage their funds. It was a significant feature that many users appreciated, allowing them to tap into their crypto and other assets with the ease of a traditional debit card. However, it's important to note that the availability of this card has varied over time and across different geographical locations. There have been periods where Uphold has temporarily suspended or discontinued its card program in specific regions due to regulatory changes or strategic shifts. This is not uncommon in the rapidly evolving landscape of cryptocurrency and financial services. Companies often have to adapt to new rules and market conditions, which can sometimes impact the services they offer. Therefore, if you're specifically interested in obtaining an Uphold debit card, the most crucial step is to check Uphold's official website or app for the most up-to-date information regarding card availability in your region. Look for dedicated sections on their platform that discuss debit cards or spending options. You might find details on eligibility criteria, application processes, and any associated fees. Furthermore, keep an eye out for any announcements or updates from Uphold regarding future plans for debit card offerings. The crypto space is constantly innovating, and platforms like Uphold are often exploring new ways to enhance user experience and bridge the gap between digital assets and everyday commerce. While the past has seen Uphold offering a debit card, and the desire for such a feature remains strong within the crypto community, it's essential to verify the current status directly with Uphold. Their official channels will provide the most accurate and timely information on whether a debit card is currently available to you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.